To make a customer with TechForce Pro, you first want to click on Our Customers in the top menu bar. And this is your list of customers here. To make a new one, you click New Customer, type in the name of the new customer, and save it. And this is your customer page. On here you can edit the title and description. You can add floor plans and you can add jobs directly from here. So we'll go and we'll add a floor plan and we'll call it the first floor. And now in here you can see we have a Save Riser diagram button and Enter the Plan and Delete the Plan button. So we'll enter into the plan. And here you see click Upload Floor Plan below to choose the file for your floor plan. It can be an image, a PNG, those are image files, a JPEG, or you can upload a PDF. If you upload a PDF, it will grab the first page of the PDF document. So we'll go to Upload Floor Plan, and I'll choose a floor plan here. So you see the mouse is a hand cursor. I can grab and drag to move the floor plan around. I can click the button on the left to zoom out, or I can use my scroll button to zoom out as well, and that zooms out the floor plan. You see in the upper right there's a mini map showing the entire floor plan with a red outline indicating where we're actually seeing in the screen right now. And I'll zoom back in. Along the bottom is a save and cancel. Cancel takes you back to the previous screen, and save will save the floor plan. But we want to add some parts and diagrams to this floor plan. So what we'll do is we'll click on Menu, and here's where we can add systems and add parts. So first we'll add some systems. So on this one we have a kind of more door system, we have a power supply system. So we can add this here as a closet with a power supply and a network switch. So no matter where you are, adding the systems will show up kind of in the middle. So if I drag the screen off and I want to add a door right here, I can click Add a System right there and it shows up. So we'll zoom out to move them around a little bit, and I can click and drag them. So this one will go to the front door. This one we'll put in the janitor's closet right here. We'll put this one over by this door. And you can also add parts directly here. So if I just want to add a large network switch, I can go in and add this large switch right here. So this one could go in the elevator mechanical room. So now that we have our parts and systems in place, we can start adding wire runs between them. To add a wire run, you click on one of them, and you can click where you want the wire run to exit, and then you can click on another system and where do you want the wire run to end. And there you see we made a wire run. So we can do that again. I want another wire run to come out of here to go to this door, and there's another wire run. And I want another wire run to go to this switch. So we'll have that come out the top, and we'll have this one. Notice we have these directional buttons. These are where do you want the wire to come out. So we'll choose the top for this one, and you see the wire comes out the top there. So we'll zoom in a little bit on that. Now I can click the wire and change the color just like the wiring diagram. You see there's a little letter, we'll zoom in a little bit more here. There's a little letter A and B when I click the wire. So just like with the wiring diagram, I can hit the plus next to the B to move that wire up or back. And the same goes with this one that comes out the other side. So you can see now why you'd want to have different wires coming out of different directions for these. So now if I hit save, spinner indicates that it's saving. And now we're back on the main page. So what we did is we added parts and diagrams to the system floor plan, and now you can see we have a list of parts below here. So all the parts that were part of those systems and total quantity shows up below here. Now next to our floor plan we also have the number of systems, and you can also click Save Riser, and what that'll do is allow us to save that riser diagram that we just made. So now if I click on it down here, you can see it opens up, and here this is a picture now. So it's a picture you can save in a file for the customer or send off to one of your techs. Thank you.